Hello again, gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things clean and fresh. I'm Kelly, and today I've got 6 tips to make your bathroom smell amazing. It's a topic that might not be the most glamorous, but it's definitely important. Bathroom smells. Let's face it, bathrooms can all get a little funky sometimes. But fear not, my cleaning comrades. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can transform your bathroom from a room that smells bad into an inviting haven of fresh scents. So, be sure to give us a thumbs up if you're ready to banish those horrible bathroom odors for good. And don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more awesome cleaning hacks. It just takes a second and it's totally free. While you're at it, ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Alright, let's dive into our first tip. Tip number 1, banish odors at the source. Before you do anything, you need to identify the source of the odor. Is there a lingering odor after using the toilet? Are your drains running a bit slow and producing an offensive smell? Or maybe your shower curtain needs a little bit of care and attention. Taking a few moments to pinpoint the culprit will help you tackle the problem more effectively. For most toilet odors, baking soda is your best friend. Sprinkle a generous amount into the toilet bowl, let it sit for 30 minutes. While you wait, grab a toilet brush and scrub underneath the rim and inner bowl with a disinfectant cleaner. This will remove any grime or buildup that might be causing the odor. After 30 minutes, flush and rinse the toilet thoroughly. Your toilet will sparkle, and it will smell fresh and clean. Repeat this process weekly for a fresh-smelling throne room. Now, slow drains can trap odors and harbor nasty gunk. To combat this, you can pour a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the drain. It'll fizz and bubble, but that's normal. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then flush with hot water. The baking soda helps break down any buildup, while the vinegar cuts through grease and kills bacteria. If the clog persists, you might need to use a commercial drain cleaner according to the instructions. The hem and corners of a shower curtain can trap water and become built up with soap scum and body oils, causing mold and mildew to form. This can lead to a musty smell in the bathroom. Wash your shower curtain regularly in hot water with some laundry detergent and a little bleach. You can also use a disinfectant spray designed for bathrooms to combat any lingering mildew. Here's a bonus tip. If your shower curtain is looking a little worse for wear, consider replacing it with a mildew-resistant liner. Tip number 2, embrace the power of baking soda. We've already mentioned baking soda for toilets, but its odor-fighting power extends far beyond that. Keep an open box of baking soda in a shallow dish on a bathroom shelf or on the floor behind the toilet. It will absorb bathroom odors naturally, and nobody will even know it's there. Replace it every few months to make sure it remains effective. You can also sprinkle baking soda on your bathroom rug, leave it for 30 minutes, then vacuum it up. This will neutralize any lingering smells from damp towels or shoes. Pro tip: for an extra fresh scent, mix the baking soda with a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or lemon. Just be sure to choose an essential oil that's safe for use around fabrics. Tip number 3, natural air fresheners. Who needs chemical air fresheners when nature has provided us with so many amazing odor-neutralizing options? Here are a few DIY air fresheners that are budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and smell fantastic. Citrus Powerhouse. Fill a bowl with sliced lemons, limes, or oranges. The fresh citrus scent will cut through any unpleasant odors and leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Bonus points. Add a few cloves for a festive touch, especially during the holiday season. Simmering Symphony. Fill a pot with water, add some sliced lemons, oranges, or even cucumber, and a few sprigs of fresh herbs like rosemary or mint. Bring it to a simmer on the stove for a few minutes and be sure to supervise it. Let the fragrant steam fill your bathroom. This is a great way to freshen up the bathroom after a thorough deep clean. Essential oil extravaganza. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a spray bottle filled with water and give it a good shake before each use. Lavender, lemon, or tea tree are great choices for this. Remember, a little goes a long way with essential oils, so start with just a few drops and add more if needed. Mist your bathroom for a quick and refreshing fragrance. Tip number 4, ventilation is key. Proper ventilation is crucial in preventing bathroom odors and mold from building up. Open a window after showering or using the toilet to allow moisture and stale air to escape. If you don't have a window, turn on the bathroom exhaust fan and leave it running for at least 20 minutes after showering. This will help remove moisture and prevent mold growth, which can contribute to unpleasant smells. If your bathroom fan seems weak or noisy, consider having it inspected or replaced. Tip number 5, don't forget the towels. Wash your towels and bath mats in hot water with laundry detergent. Make sure they are completely dry before folding and storing in the bathroom or linen closet. Hang them up to dry completely after each use before using them again. Here's another tip. Use disinfectant wipes or a spray cleaner to wipe down surfaces like the countertop, sink, toilet seat, and shower door. This will remove any lingering bacteria and prevent odors from building up. Pay special attention to areas that get a lot of traffic, like the doorknob and faucet handles. Tip number 6, empty the trash regularly. This seems obvious, but it's easy to forget. Empty your bathroom trash can regularly, especially if you don't have one with a lid. Consider using a scented trash bag for an extra layer of freshness. However, keep in mind that strong artificial scents can be overwhelming in a small space. Choose a light, natural fragrance or go for a fragrance-free option. Clean the shower or bathtub. Tackle soap scum and hard water stains with a commercial bathroom cleaner or a DIY solution of vinegar and water. Here's a bonus tip. For stubborn grime, cut a lemon in half and sprinkle it with baking soda. Scrub the affected area with the lemon half, then rinse thoroughly. Don't forget to scrub the drain and grout. A grout brush can be a handy tool for getting into those tight spaces. By incorporating this simple routine into your cleaning schedule, you can prevent bathroom odors before they even start. Those are 6 fantastic tips, plus a bonus to make your bathroom smell amazing. Remember, the key is to identify the source of the odor, tackle it head-on, and maintain a consistent cleaning routine. So, what was your favorite tip from this video? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have any other bathroom odor-fighting hacks you swear by? Share them down below. I love hearing from all of you. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing all of you in the next episode.